If you have one of these or one of these, then congratulations! You can start a garden. Today, I will be showing you how you can start a garden with toilet paper rolls or paper towel rolls. Welcome to Finding Joy in the Garden. You will need supplies, toilet paper or paper towel rolls, a container to put the toilet paper rolls in. I'm using this self-watering container from the Dollar Tree. Labels, yes, they're dirty. I just pulled them out of my garden. A marker, seeds, and soil. Pre-mix your soil with water. I'm using potting mix and I've already mixed it with water. Now I will fill the base of the container with some soil, like so. Next, I'll be putting the toilet paper rolls on top of the soil. If you have a paper towel roll, you can simply cut it into 3 pieces using a pair of scissors. So about here. And there. And it comes to about the same size and height of a paper towel roll. See? I was able to fit in 12 rolls into this container. The next step is to fill the rolls with soil. Like so. And remember to push the soil down a bit so you do not have air pockets. So as you can see, there were some air pockets. I'm going to push the soil down in and add more soil on top. All right, so here it is with all the soil in it. And I didn't really mean to put soil in between, but now that I think about it, I think it's actually perfect. And when the seedlings grow, I'll just pull them out like little tearaway pieces of bread. Anyway, so it's all set up now and I'm going to start planting the seeds. The seeds we will be planting today are the sweet pea. This is the early gigante sweet pea. I bought this 50 cents from Walmart. And this one here is the Nkrumah 1010 okra. And this is from Baker Creek. Of course, don't forget to label. So I will label both sweet pea and the okra. For sweet pea seeds, it's better if you pre-soak them. So I have pre-soaked these seeds here for less than 24 hours. It says to pre-soak for 24 hours, but this is all the time they got. So about 12 hours. So these are the sweet pea seeds, different sizes. But I will be planting probably 6 or 7 of them. And it says to plant them a 1/2 inch deep, so I'll just push them in with the bottom of a Sharpie. This method is especially good for plants you don't want to disturb the roots of. So things like cucumbers, sweet peas, okra, they don't really like their roots disturbed. Now for the okra seeds, also recommended to soak the seeds, but did I do that? No, I did not, but we shall be planting nonetheless. So I'll be planting 5 seeds, and it's recommended to put them a 1/2 to 1 inch deep. And I will label them, put in the okra one here, and the sweet pea this way, and that tells me these are sweet peas and these are okra. Now I'm going to spray it with some water just to make sure that the soil on the top is moisturized. And I also want to get the rolls wet so that they're not soaking up water from the soil. Now, since it's still cold outside at night, it was 34 degrees Fahrenheit last night, I will be covering this with a cloche. Now this here is the garden bell cloche from the Dollar Tree. It costs $1.25. And this is what I'm going to use to cover this. and it fits quite nicely over this. Now, if you live somewhere windy, you may want to put a stake in through the hole here to hold this closed so it doesn't blow away in the wind. Let me take you outside and show you where I'm going to put this. So right here outdoors is where I'm going to be putting this container. And like I said, I'm going to be covering it with the cloche, like so. Now, I do live in a windy area and I expect the wind to blow this away. So what I'll do is I'll use this little stake. This is from one of my kids' toys that broke. And I'm just going to put this in here, like so, to hold it in place so that when the wind blows, it doesn't just fly away. So there you go. Easy seed starting using recycled materials and some winter sowing techniques. If you would like to learn about other recycled containers you can use to grow food in your garden, click on this video. Or for more information about winter sowing, click on this playlist. Like the video if you like the video, subscribe for more videos like this, and until next time, may you always find joy in your garden and your life. Bye, garden friend.